Okay, so I bought this unit a couple of weeks ago. It's a Besta one from IKEA. I got it second hand, and it did have a hole in the back, but they said it was a TV unit. However, it didn't have full holes. So I've been reading up and been told that I can, or I've seen that I can saw some holes in. I've bought a hole saw set. I'm hoping that the hole will be big enough. I'm going to have to use the 44 millimeter bit. This was £9.99 from Aldi, and as you can see, this was the one hole at the back. Now the advice was to use masking tape to kind of seal up the hole, seal up the part you want to, not seal up, to I guess stabilise the part that you want to drill, so that you get less, I guess, less dirt and dust flying everywhere. I want to put 3 holes in. I'm going to have one up here, one in the middle shelf, and a third one lower down. That's what I'm hoping to do. So I've done the first bit, I'll be back with the second bit. Okay, so I've started off by, well, the next step, I just turned the unit on its front, and I've put it on top of a piece of cardboard. I'm hoping that that will collect all the dirt and dust, and we'll have as least mess as possible. I've used masking tape on the outside now, and then I've measured where I wanted, how far along I wanted it to the holes to be, and where I want them to end. And then I've drawn around the edge. I thought I was going to use the 44 millimeter, but I've ended up using the 64, I think it is, millimeter, which is going, yeah, 67, which is going to be this one. So this is the actual bit itself. It's going to go through there, and the second hole, and the third hole further down. So I was just hoping this all works out. I'm going to go and get my drill. Okay, here goes. Let's give it a whirl. Make sure I'll go forward. Can't remember now. Great start. Try again. Fantastic. That's the first hole done. Okay, so now for hole number 2. Oh wow, that's a bit mad. Wow. I think I might need to go back on my tape. Right, trying to remember where my original lines were, because I cannot afford for this to go off track. So I'm just going to check my measurements. So I had 7.5 inches, which were taking me to here. Right, this one is a lot more. I think, I don't know if it's because there's already a hole there. It just does not want to go through pretty well. I'm going to move on to the third one. Okay, so I've definitely got an issue with the third one. I'm going to figure that out and I'll come back to it. Okay, so I managed to figure out that middle hole. The issue was that previously someone had made a tiny hole in the bottom here, and so there was nothing for the drill bit to grip onto. So this was the part, this was how it was originally. You had the hole in the middle. So the drill bit was just spinning around and there was nothing for it to grasp hold of. As you can see, it's kind of left my edges a bit jagged, and I'm dreading to see what it looks like on the inside. But yeah, that's basically it. Maybe I could even look at getting some grommets for the wiring, so all the cabling is going to go through. So I'll be back with the final result when I've cleaned it all up. So here is the final result. 3 cable holes. I'm really pleased with this. You can see that obviously it took off the edges around there, but I'm hoping that I can get some of those cable grommets that will just cover that bit over if they're kind of just coming over the edge. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I did it! Go me! Woo!